Thank you for purchasing the Lippert temperature sensor. To change the battery on the sensor, remove the sensor from the band. Locate the slot on the bottom corner of the sensor. Using a flat screwdriver or a coin, insert and twist. The clamshell will pop open. Lift out the sensor platform and slide out the old battery. Install the new battery. Make sure the positive side faces up. Return the platform into the transparent tray. Snap the top of the clamshell into place. Open the app on your mobile device and wait for the battery status to update. Finally, slip the sensor back into the band. For any troubleshooting questions, contact Lippert customer service at 432-LIPPERT. That's 432-547-7378. Or support@support.lci1.com or email customer service at lci1.com. Thanks for watching.